Jeopardy game using Jeopardy Labs. Search for Jeopardy Labs and tap on the very first link. Here you can build your own Jeopardy game. You can take ready-made game from here directly to your class. I will show you how to play these games also inside the class. So let's go to build a new game. So you can tap on this create a Jeopardy game button. You can keep your game password protected if you wish. But as of now, I just click on start building. Here 100, 200, 500, these are the points for each question, and here are the category names. So if I want to create a Jeopardy game on integer operations, okay, so what I do, so under this category name I will put integer addition. Here maybe it is integer subtraction, integer multiplication, and here maybe integer division. Okay, those 4 columns only I want. Now how to add your question here? For that, select the box and double tap on it. Now you will see the question prompt and correct response columns here. So inside this question prompt I will put my question. Suppose my question is -2 -3. Answer is -5. Okay. Then for going to the next question I will tap on continue. Next question for 200 points. Suppose it is -4 -6. Answer is -10. Say continue. Okay. If I don't want 300 or 400 score, I just want 500 score question, I will double tap on it and create another question. Suppose 5 plus 8. Answer is 13. Continue. Now for subtraction, if I put my question 3 minus 4, it is -1. I keep adding my questions like this. It is +1. Okay, so you can add as many questions you want. You can again insert some other categories if you want. Now multiplication, 2 by -3 -6. So this is how you can play around these buttons. Okay, and it is suppose -4 into 1 -4. So for integer division I am adding questions. So as many questions you want you can add here. It is +5, and the last one I put here divided by. You should keep your questions and answers ready. You can create it for grammar, you can create it for taking CFU for any lesson. So it will add fun in your classes. So yeah, this is how we are done with the questioning. Okay, you can enter the categories if you want more categories. Okay, now after you are done with your questions, you can click on save and finish button. You can see here. And now here, how many teams do you want to add? If you want to ask it for 5 teams, you can increase the numbers here, 5 teams. Okay, and if you want to share this with someone, or if you want to save this somewhere, you can share. So you need to become a Jeopardy member to unlock some features, but it's okay. Free version also supports you to share this link. So you will not get directly the link. You have to, suppose you can mail it to yourself, or you can send it to WhatsApp to yourself. So I'm mailing it to yourself, and there you can see the link of this Jeopardy game. Okay, so here is the link. Okay, I am mailing it to myself. Okay, so I have mailed this link to myself only. Okay, so you will get it in your email inbox. You can take it and use it anywhere. Now let me show, this is how you can create your own Jeopardy game. Okay, now if I want to play it in my class, how does it look like? So I have mailed this link to myself, right? So I will go to Gmail and I will open this link in my class. I can project it on the projector screen, and yeah, so when I tap on that link, here also you have option to select how many teams do you want to create. Okay, so suppose 5 groups of students you made, you can select 5 groups or whatever. Okay, and then say start. Okay, there are 5 teams. If you want to name these teams, you can name it with the group names, like you can say it the Lotus group, whatever the names of your groups are, or group 1 or group 2, like this, or keep it as team 1, team 2, however you wish. Okay, now how to play this game? So like I'm asking to Lotus, okay, the turn, Lotus turn. So yeah, I will ask, okay, yes, team Lotus, tell me which point card shall I open? So they will say, suppose 500. I will tap on 500 card of suppose integer subtraction. Okay. Now they will get some time, maybe 2 seconds, 3 seconds to answer, and then they will say certain answer. If I want to reveal the answer, I will press reveal correct response. It is given there, or I will just press the space bar. Okay. And now if their answer is correct, I can add those points to the Lotus group. Okay. For adding the points, click on this green plus button near Lotus group. So you can see automatically 500 points are credited to the Lotus group. Okay. If I want to go back to the question, I can press escape key or say continue button. Again, I can go to group 2 and ask, tell me which card do you want to open. If they say 200 integer multiplication card, click on that. Let them answer. If it is correct, you can add that score. If it is incorrect, no need to add the score. Okay. So suppose answer is 12. Suppose they answer is 12 and they give minus 12. Okay, so it is incorrect. So you can reveal the answer and say it is 12 only. Okay. So again you can press this escape button or say continue. And this is how the teams will play the game and they will get engaged. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can play the game inside the class. Now I want to share something again. You can use the ready-made games here. So when you enter Jeopardy Labs here and press on the first button, you can see a yellow colored highlighted button, find a Jeopardy game. Just tap on that. And then you will see the different ready-made templates here. If I want to choose some browse button, if I select browse button, I will see the different games already made by some people. So if I say animals, so you can see these many games already made by certain people. You can use it directly. Okay, just go through these keywords, like here in second tab it is 25 questions are there on farm animal, pets, jungle animals. Just click on that link. You will see the questionnaires, which kind of questions are asked. If you like these questions, you can press this play button here. Okay, and you can start asking the questions.